Hello viewers. In this episode I am going to provide complete information on a fruit vegetable, ridge gourd. So welcome to Planting Nature friends. The scientific name of ridge gourd is Lupha acutangula. It belongs to a family called Cucurbitaceae. It is also called as Chinese okra, angled lupha, sponge gourd. In Hindi, it is called as Turiya or Kalitori. Lupha is native to tropical South Asia. This plant can be grown throughout the year. The mature fruit is used as a natural cleaning sponge because it is very fibrous, and this is the major reason why this plant is grown across the world. Now let's see how the plants look like. This plant generally creeps on the ground. If any support is available, it can climb by the help of its tendrils. Stems are green, generally weak, and this plant can grow up to 5 to 10 meters. Lupha is a creeping vine. These are the axillary tendrils which help in holding the support, thereby climbing onto a height. The leaves grow alternate, usually 15 to 20 centimeters long. The upper side is darkish green and lower side is a pale green. The flowers are unisexual, usually yellow in color. These are the male flowers which grow in groups. This group is scientifically called as a raceme. The female flowers are usually solitary or single. The fruit has around 10 longitudinal ribs, simply termed as ridges. Hence, this fruit is called as ridge gourd, usually 15 to 30 centimeters long. The fruit bears numerous seeds inside. These seeds are blackish, rough, usually 11 to 10 millimeters. The flowers start growing 6 to 10 weeks after sowing of the seed. Male flowers are produced first, then the females. Generally, the flowers open in the evenings. The immature fruit can be harvested as early as 2 months of sowing. Pollination occurs by insects, bees, butterflies, moths, etc. Hand pollination is always beneficial in case this plant is grown in home. Please write down in the comment box if you want to learn more about hand pollination. This plant can thrive in warm and hot climates as well. The ideal temperature is around 25 to 35 degrees centigrade. Now let's look at the nutritional value of this immature fruit. The mature fruit cannot be used as a vegetable as it is very fibrous. The immature fruit can be used as a vegetable. It can be cooked, it can be eaten raw, pickled, etc. This vegetable consists of around 5% of carbohydrate, 0.3% of fat, 0.7% of protein. It has numerous vitamins and minerals as well. It can provide 12% of daily requirement of potassium. It has good amount of vitamin C, B6, magnesium, iron, zinc, folate, etc. Now let's look at some of the health benefits. This vegetable helps in boosting the vision due to the vitamin A content. The iron helps in curing anemia. Lupha is the best vegetable for those who want to decrease their weight. It helps in weight loss due to the amount of fiber it has, and the most important thing is it is very low in calories and also contains very less cholesterol and no saturated fats. This vegetable also helps in relieving constipation due to the water content and fiber. Overall, it is very good for digestion. Indirectly, it is very good for skin as well. Lupha also has antimicrobial activity. This fruit powder is also used in Ayurveda for its antimicrobial effects. Extracts from this vegetable is also used in homeopathic medicine in reducing allergy and also sinusitis. Both leaves and fruit have anti-inflammatory effects. The leaf paste can be applied externally and the vegetable helps in reducing internal inflammation. This vegetable is very good for diabetics. It is low in calories and rich in antioxidants. Moreover, it has hypoglycemic properties. Vitamin C and zinc content helps in boosting the immunity. As this vegetable has no cholesterol plus low in calories, it is a good friend of heart. The folate content is very good for pregnant women as well. Upon consuming as a vegetable, it can produce alkaline effect in the body. In fact, Ayurveda recognizes this fruit as one of the components to reduce body heat. Apart from the consumption, this fruit has numerous other uses as well. Fully mature fruit is used as a sponge. It is highly fibrous. It can also be used in making hats, cloth brushes, car wipes, mats, gloves, sandals, etc. This mature fruit is very popular as a personal hygiene product. The fiber has sound and shock absorbing property and hence it is used in helmets, armored vehicles, packing material, etc. This fiber is also used as a filter in engines. It is also used in wastewater treatment as it has heavy metal absorbing capacity. The oil can be extracted from loofah seeds, which is rich in linoleic acid. Propagation. Ridgeguard is usually propagated through seeds. The main commercial production comes from China, Korea, India, Japan and Central America. So friends, that's all in this episode. Hope you have learned something. Hope you enjoyed this video. This plant can be easily grown in containers as well. So please try to grow it at your home and don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. Share it to your friends and family and support us. Thank you.